Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Imagine one habit that has the power to boost your energy, well-being, happiness, and productivity. That's what a Keystone habit can do for you. And today we're talking about what they are, how they work, why they're important, giving you 3 key Keystone habits, and then the 6-step formula to follow to create them so you can unleash your full potential. Imagine a domino chain. A single push topples the entire line. Keystone habits work just like that. They're powerful habits that inherently have momentum and produce a positive ripple effect throughout your entire life. Keystone habits are important because they are the linchpin that holds everything together. By focusing on a Keystone habit, you create that domino effect, making it easier to build and maintain other positive habits. Here's 3 key Keystone habits that you can develop. Number 1, regular exercise. It's no secret that exercise has been proven by scientists to positively affect your life. Just 20 minutes a day of elevated heart rate has been shown to increase your mood, physical health, mental health, help you live longer, and simply make you feel better. The cascading effects are crazy, and this is one of the Keystone habits you want to establish if you haven't already. Number 2, eating healthy. While exercise gives you a boost, you can't out-exercise a bad diet. And it's no secret to you as a regular listener that eating healthy has been shown by research to make you feel better, live longer, make your mind sharper, and give you an overall positive outlook and attitude on life. Along with this Keystone habit comes not just making smarter choices about your food, but planning your meals. Just the act of writing down your week of meals will make it easier for you to buy food and not break down as it gets late in the night, almost forcing you in the act of hunger to order takeout that will, in the short term, satisfy your hunger, but in the long term, hurt your health and well-being. A third Keystone habit, sleep. If you develop the first 2 Keystone habits, it's amazing how they'll help you sleep. And simply making sure that you go to bed and wake up around the same time and average for most people, according to the science, 7 hours of sleep, is going to have such a huge positive domino effect on your life, you're never going to want to undo that habit. As we mentioned, Keystone habits change your life by affecting other areas of life, and understanding how these habits create that positive cascade gives you an appreciation for their transformative power. New habits often begin by reshaping your thought patterns. When you start, for example, an exercise regime, your mind undergoes a shift. You become more focused on your goals and the positive outcomes of your chosen habit. This cognitive shift not only boosts your belief in the habit's benefits, but also encourages more positive thinking. And as a result, you become more confident, optimistic, and resilient in the face of challenges. Your improved mental outlook radiates to all parts of your life, making you better equipped to handle stress, uncertainty, and get through it all with confidence. Here's how to create a Keystone habit in 6 steps. Number 1, identify the target habit. Begin by evaluating your current habits and identifying the areas in your life that would benefit most from a Keystone habit. If you aren't already doing one of the 3 that we talked about today, regular exercise, eating healthy, and getting a good night's sleep, use one of them to start and develop. Number 2, analyze your thoughts and beliefs. Identify any negative or self-limiting thoughts that you're giving yourself. Recognize and document any thoughts or beliefs that may be hindering your progress or causing resistance to change. Now, challenge and reframe those thoughts. Replace them with the more positive and empowering beliefs that support your habit. Remember, when you're having thoughts and you're talking, you're listening to yourself. Number 3, set realistic goals. Define specific, achievable objectives related to that habit. These goals should be measurable and aligned with your broader personal growth objectives. Number 4, create a habit implementation plan. Make a plan to establish a routine and set clear cues or triggers to help you remember to engage in that habit consistently. It could be as simple as at 5 p.m., I'm going to the gym for 45 minutes, or after I brush my teeth every morning, I'm going to do 25 push-ups. Number 5, monitor your progress. Keep a habit tracking journal or use an app to help you maintain a record of your habit progress. This will help you stay accountable and track your improvements and challenges. You'll be surprised how quickly you make progress. And number 6, adapt and adjust. Be flexible and make the necessary changes to the plan. Listen, life is dynamic, and your circumstances are going to change. Flexibility in your approach is key to your long-term success. Keystone habits serve as powerful tools for your personal growth, happiness, and productivity. They have a profound influence on your life, promoting positive change in that domino effect. Embarking on this journey of habit development is a decision that can shape your future in ways you may not even realize right now. It's an opportunity to take control of your life, improve your well-being, and work towards the goals and dreams you've set for yourself. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.